When it comes to developing our careers, we can all use a little support sometimes. Thankfully, our career development platform provides all the tools and advice you need in one place. It all starts with a short self-assessment which empowers you to reflect on your proficiency in key areas of employability, including CV and interview skills, awareness of your goals and career options, personal brand, and much more. A detailed report sets out your areas of development and directs you to the most relevant learning. If you need help writing an impactful CV, our CV Builder will guide you through it, after which you can use our intuitive CV scanner to score it against over 50 checks and get feedback in an instant. Want to learn more about interviews? Try our AI interview simulator tool to help you practice and prepare. For more insights about potential roles and industries, you can browse our labor market information tool. And if you simply want to know more about yourself, our career assessments help you get a better understanding of your strengths, motivations, and preferences. All of these great tools are supplemented with an extensive e-learning library of over 1,300 bite-sized resources covering everything from job hunting tips, networking and transferable skills, to career options, setting goals, and well-being at work. This includes hundreds of inspirational videos in which career coaches and industry professionals share their advice and experience. Every career journey is unique, which is why our career development platform offers a learning journey that is tailored to you. Let's dive in.